motion planning. How motion planning is done is the process of breaking down the movement tasks into primitives such as individual joint movements. Okay, so you break down the tasks into individual joint movements. Such movements often involve complicated motion as process where movement require maintaining physical contact with an object. Okay, Marwick paradox generalized that low level of sensorometer skills and human take it for granted, contra naturally difficult to program into robot. There are very minute skills like we have when we move fingers on all these things. Evolutionary, we have learned this through biological evolution. So all these things which we do, creativity and all the stuff, it is very difficult to program for robot. That's a challenge, but there the AI scientists are moving towards it, and we are doing research on it.